Hey everybody, I'm Octavia Klein. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video in Videoleep using their templates. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this is not the most user-friendly app. And in fact, I had to record this a couple times before I even got it right. And I've actually made a few videos in there with their templates and have no idea what I was doing, but my video came out really stellar. Okay, so all of you guys want to have awesome reels to get you more business on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. And this is a great way if you do not know what you're doing, just to throw some stuff in there and it's going to be very dynamic and stand out. Because the main thing you want to do with any platform is you want to stand out from the crowd, okay? You want to stop the scroll. It's not like anybody's ever going I
wonder what Octavia's doing today on Instagram.
No. They're just scrolling, and I better hope that they see my video, like my video, and then I zhuzhed up enough that they're like,
what's this? This is cool.
So this is a great app to look really cool, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. And if you like this and you wanna know my favorite apps for creating reels in, you can grab my freebie below and it gives you all my favorite apps for creating reels. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Videoleep app right here. So with this, it always gives me the option to select more photos, which I'm going to do. So I'm gonna select a few pictures from my shoot I did yesterday with Troyan Belsario, my good friend. She agreed to do a photo shoot with me for my portfolio. So I'm just gonna grab a few of these sort of behind the scenes and some of the images that we did, okay? And I'm just gonna push done. And now in here, it has different things. So you can choose something with AI effects. I will go there. You could choose something with 4 to 10 clips or 11 to 20 clips or 20 plus clips, okay? So you have those options right here at the top. I'm gonna go with 11 to 20, and then it'll show here on the screen, right here, there's already a template that I can use, or I can swipe up and use this other template that they have, or just keep going, right? I never can even find the right templates that I like, the same templates twice. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So I'm just gonna swipe up and find which template I want to use. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It looks kind of cool. So it's gonna have me select the photos that I want. I'm gonna start with some of these behind the scenes images, kind of go back and forth between the two. I'm just gonna push next. Now it says I have 11 out of 12 clips, so it's gonna duplicate one clip for me, which I can change out later. So here is the video. And it already looks really cool. So I'm gonna just stick with this as it is. And you can see here, there's a duplicate photo. So I'm gonna push this button right here for this photo, and then I can just push it again and I can replace it with something I haven't used. I don't think I used this photo, so I'm gonna put that one in there instead. But I already like the way this looks, so I'm just gonna click download at the top and save this to my phone. And now I can take this video and I can just upload it to TikTok, I can upload it to Instagram. It already even has music with it, or if I don't love this music, I can just put it to 0 and add music from Instagram or TikTok. But I now have this amazing reel that I made, and it looks like so pro, like I just added the business out of this thing, but I didn't, and it just created it. Now, sometimes I can't even do it twice sometimes, but I'm gonna tell you what, it's just a great app to make you look really cool on Instagram or TikTok or wherever you're posting your reels. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.